So the next thing is selling your product, because this is also very very important. You're actually buying this product so that you can resell and make profits. So let me now guide you through some certain things you can always do, to some certain places you can always promote your product. And the full details about promoting your product just on a very very small scale online. So let us first of all start with Facebook marketing. So you need to create a page, a Facebook page. It's very easy to create a Facebook page. You can just create a Facebook page, and from your Facebook account, brand it with your, maybe your brand name or whatsoever. So this is Beyond PS Facebook page. So let's say, if for example I want to promote a product, let's call the product spy pen. Buy spy pen. Let's, because you also need to understand one thing. Your description, your description is very very important. Imagine I tell you how I bought a Range Rover Sport with $5. You would want to read that news. Or imagine how I say Buhari decamped to PDP, or Buhari resigned as the president of Nigeria. So this is a news that you would want to read. So the same thing also applies to the way you describe your product. And I would also advise also that if you can create like a whiteboard explainer video, you can create a whiteboard explainer video. This is very simple, very simple to do. You can always do that from a particular site known as fiverr.com. For as low as $5, you can find anybody there that will help you do a marketing video for your product. So the person, you can just go and search for, let's say, video and animation. I want to do like a whiteboard and an animated explainer video. So you can come here and see anyone to help you do a whiteboard explainer video. Like this says, don't bother about all of these people. Look for a very cheap one. You can go for a price range of $5 and search. So you can see this person say, I will create a compelling whiteboard animation for you for just $5. So you can just have, if you have a one kind of product, or you want to promote different kinds of product that you sell, just look for someone on fiverr.com, pay the person $5, and this person can help you create a marketing video on your own. Also, you can have the software on your own and do it yourself. Like personally, I am not a professional to it, but I have a particular software that I use to create explainer videos for any kind of product or any kind of thing I want to market online. For example, now I am doing an on-screen video with a particular software called the Camtasia. So I am not a video production person or a video editor, but with the use of software and your laptop, you can always do that. So if you want that information, or you want the particular software, a full version of the software, it can be sold for a fee, though, for a fee. So you can send us an email to support at beyondps.com, so that you won't be paying $5 every now and then. So you can just create something yourself. Just think of something and create yourself with your laptop and promote online. Because you can just create, it shouldn't be more than maybe 30 to 45 seconds max, 1 minute video. Put on YouTube or put on your Facebook profile or your Facebook page to promote it. So let's say we just want to say buy spy pen for 1,000 naira, and I look for the image on my system to upload. Let me look for that image again. Okay, in this folder, and this spy pen. So If for example I have this spy pen, I update it, then the next thing is, when it's done uploading, I'll click on share now. So it is done uploading now. Take note, this is just for the purpose of this training. You need to have something that is well descriptive. Put the description of the spy pen. What is the benefit of having the spy pen? Just a short and a catchy description. Then after which you click on share now. Now, do you know that once you share this particular information, it is what Facebook do is that Facebook will just show it to, like, let's say 2% of your fans. If you have few fans, maybe all might see, but when you begin to have so many followers on your Facebook page, Facebook will just show it to just few people. So they would want you to promote this particular post so as to have a wider view. So what you then need to do is you scroll down and you see a part called boost post. So you click on the boost post, then you can now select an amount based on your budget. So what happens is that I would want to say, okay, I want to sell this product to people that are based in Lagos. So what happens is that Facebook would only show this particular post to people who in whose account or profile is having Lagos as the country, as the state. You understand? So you can target your advert to a particular location. You can target your advert to the whole country. You can target your advert to a state in the country, and you can even specify your advert to be focused on just maybe people whose interest is in computer, people whose interest is in beauty products, people whose interest is in politics, and so on and so forth. So that is one of those beauty of Facebook marketing. So from here now, I would want to say, okay, I want to make sure that it's you can even set the age and bracket that you should show the advert for, so that you don't need to waste your budget on irrelevant, that you should, for you to begin to show advert to people that is not your target audience. So like for example, if you would open your Facebook, sometimes you get to see some posts that you are not even a member of the group. You will see sponsored. This is how it is being done. So you would now create that sponsored post from here. So if I want to target the whole of the country, I can click on edit and specify my choice. You specify your choice from this section. Okay, this is, I want it to be shown to only women, to be shown to both men and women. If it's only men, to be shown to both, just only women, or to show to all gender. I can say, okay, I want it to be shown to from 18 to, let's say 55 or 50 or the likes. I want to say, okay, I want to add more location. Like it should be, if it is for the whole Nigeria, I can just type Nigeria, and I will see a drop down that would tell me Nigeria. Then I select the drop down. So you can see Nigeria, I select Nigeria, but see, I've already selected Nigeria before. I want to say, okay, it should be shown to people that are based in Ibadan. I wait for it to load. Ibadan, Oyo State. I select Ibadan, Oyo State, and I begin to add so on and so forth. I want to add Abuja, Port Harcourt, but if it is the whole country, just choose Nigeria and you are done with that. So when you are done with the whole selection, you can now go straight down to save it. You save it. So when you save it, you are done with the process. Next thing is to scroll down and select your budget. You select your budget. Sorry, this is actually showing a different currency. So sorry, probably because of the fact that this particular account that Beyond PS created, this Facebook page, does not have Nigeria as the default currency. Normally it should show you in Naira. So you can now select the particular amount in Naira, and you make your payment. You can make your payment with your card. So you can now set your duration that it should run for 7 days. So based on the amount that you have, if I select, let's say 14 Naira, if I select, let's say 7 Naira, what it means that every day I'll be spending 1 Naira per day. So per day I'll be spending 1 naira. So don't mind the dollar amount showing here. So if your account by default, the country selected is Nigeria, you should get to see naira as the default currency here. So when you are done, the next thing is just to okay, you can see, okay, look at the currency. So I can't find Nigeria. Okay, I should be able to see Nigeria naira. Okay. Okay, this is Nigeria naira. So let's scroll up back and select Nigeria naira. I want to run an advert for 2,000 naira. I select 2,000 naira. So it's telling me now that 2,000 naira, if I am going for 7 days, that between 810 to 3,500 people would be able to view my advert on a budget of 285 naira per day. So every day if I spend 285, I'm going to get to see at least 3,500 people to view my posts, to view that my ads. So and when I'm done with all the whole settings from here, then I just click on boost now. So when I go to boost now, it tells me to begin to make my payment. So I'm making my payment. Ensure that the payment method here is Nigeria. So just you want to make naira payment, select this and click on continue. You can use your card, either your MasterCard or your Visa card, to make the payment. Once you make the payment, Facebook would verify your ad, then make it live. So what happens is that people on their own, wherever they are, and this is based on your settings, gets to see that your adverts. So but for now, we are actually not paying for any adverts. So this is just how you do your Facebook marketing. Then another way you can always promote your product is Nairaland. It's a very good platform. It's a very, very good platform. It's it's the #1 forum in Nigeria. I think Beyond PS is in the next couple of years. Watch out for Beyond PS, beyondps.com. Beyond PS is coming to that platform, but the Beyond PS platform is actually different. The Beyond PS is focused on entrepreneurship training. There are several trainings that is going to be unleashing from this platform. So if you want to learn anything about cake making, about auto gele, about computer programming, about web development, about how to make money online, this is the one-stop place you can always learn these things from, beyondps.com. So but meanwhile, Maryland is one of those great place where you can always get to post your product. So come here, look for the appropriate forum. Like for example, business, you can post your item there, put a description of your item and the amount, contact address, and the likes, so that people can contact you to view. So this one is free. You are not paying for anything. It's only when you want to begin to put your product here, like in all these places, advert spots, that you pay money. But you can start small by posting your product on the appropriate board. Very important, so that you will not get banned on Nairaland. Then another way of promoting your product is customized SMS, sending SMSs. Like for example, in Beyond PS, we have database of 80 million Nigerian phone users. We have 80 million verified numbers that you can always get a number based on the location you need. So if you say you want Lagos State numbers, Beyond PS can always provide you that for a fee. So you can buy these numbers. Then Beyond PS will also provide you a platform where you can send customized SMS to these numbers to promote your product. If you have the wherewithal to set up a website, an e-commerce, just a mini e-commerce website, whereby you can post your product, so you don't need to keep sharing your images of your product often, day in day out. You can just have an online platform, a mini e-commerce website, whereby you can post this product. When you post this product, once you want to advertise, you just advertise with the link. Let's say, for example, now this was the advert with respect to the training. So if I want to advertise this, I only just copy this link and send to someone. So once they visit the link, they can now see the full details of the particular product I'm promoting. Because sometimes you might be on a WhatsApp group, and when you begin to share pictures and people just get bored. They are wasting my data, this and that. But we just send the link to that product, so your website or your e-commerce platform can serve as your office that houses all of these products and their prices. So Beyond Peers also have a platform whereby they can create a mini e-commerce website for you, very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. So for being a member of beyondpeers.com, you also have access to that offer. You can get extremely cheap from them. They will develop a website, an e-commerce web platform for you, and you can use that to promote. Then finally, selling is very important. You can also leverage on existing companies e-commerce platform like jumia.com.ng. Cool place to sell. You can sell. In short, Jumia will do the delivery for you. Yours is just to take the product to them, and you can even have the product in their warehouse. When the customer orders for the product, they deliver it to the customer, and you make and they pay you at the stipulated time. So what you just need to do on Jumia is you just need to create a seller account. You create a seller account on Jumia. So you sell on Jumia, you click on sell on Jumia to become a vendor. Then from there you create the account. So what happens is that on this platform you can sell your products to them. So Jumia would even help you do your promotion, because sometimes they just reel out advert, email marketing advert, even on Facebook, and begin to show selected product on their platform. So you can create a seller account. It's so simple, the same way you create any other account. Just follow it. Register in under 5 minutes. Create the account. Once you create the account, automatically they create a store for you. So when you are creating your account, ensure that your username is your store name. If I am creating, let's say, Beyond Peers now, Beyond Peers store, I'll use my username as Beyond Peers, so that anytime I want to share my Jumia store URL, I can just share jumia.com.ng/my username, which is Beyond Peers, if it's available, but it's not available anyway. So you now create that and follow the process of uploading product on jumia.com.ng. So this is what happens. Ensure that any item you are going to submit to Jumia to be delivered, if anybody has placed an order for any item, what happens is that ensure that that item is good, excellent item, so that the customer will not reject and return it. And you must ensure, very important, that you put the correct description of the item. If you put red there on jumia.com.ng, ensure that it is red that must be sent to the customer that purchased that item. Very important, very important. If you don't have the capacity to have an e-commerce platform for yourself, you can also leverage on Jumia, which is free. You just be sharing Jumia, your URL from Jumia to the end customer to purchase. But it will be advisable for you to own your own platform, whereby you can even sell on your own, because Jumia would pay. I think Jumia pays once a month or twice a month, so you need to wait for Jumia to remit your fund. So, but if you are paid directly, what happens is that you have your money and you can always be turning over. You can be purchasing over and over and again, and not waiting for the payday from Jumia. So also you can also leverage on Konga too. Konga.com is also an e-commerce marketing platform where you can create seller account and sell your items using their platform. So it is so important that we understand this very, very well. This is sell on Konga. This is where you sell from. Sell on Konga. So I hope I have been able to explain the details about how to start the smart mini importation business, or how to start the mini importation in a smart way, the smart mini importation strategy. So this is it. You need to understand every details about it, so that you won't get your hands burnt, so that you won't pack to the village, because this business can make someone living in the city to pack to the village. This business can make someone living in Ajegunle to Banana Island, or to Victoria Island, or to Las Vegas, or whatever the case may be. Just on a light note, don't mind me. So it is so sweet. This business is so sweet. I've been doing this business since 2013, and it has been so profitable, so profitable. So let us watch this video over and over and again, and get to know all the full details about this mini importation business. Now, one of those things is that if you would want to have an e-commerce website, you can always send an email to support@beyondpeers.com, or you can always chat on WhatsApp via 081 441 628 793. You can call or WhatsApp that particular number. Also, if you want to get maybe mobile numbers, or you have some certain questions you need to ask about this business, so you can always send an email to support@beyondpeers.com. So the purpose of this business is that everyone watching this video must succeed in this business. That is why we've taken our time to ensure that we'll give a very detailed analysis of the mini importation business. I hope that when next I see you watching this video, it will be big and massive testimony from you. So remember, once again, if you have any question, don't feel you are pressurizing, don't feel you are disturbing. Just send an email to support@beyondpeers.com, and ensure to always log on to beyondpeers.com, because there's still going to be so many trainings that will be happening on the platform. So I hope this information will take someone from 0 level to how many levels? Millions and billions and quadrillions of level. So thanks for your time, and I really appreciate. God bless you.